Vietnamese curry, which is typically made with meat. The vegetarian version is made with a variety of vegetables, such as potatoes, carrots, and onions, as well as tofu or seitan for protein. The curry is often served with a side of steamed rice, which helps to balance out the spicy and flavorful sauce. Conclusion: Vietnamese cuisine offers a wide variety of vegetarian dishes that are both nutritious and flavorful. From the refreshing goi cuan to the hearty pho chay, there are plenty of options for those following a plant-based diet. Vegetarian dishes in Vietnamese cuisine often feature fresh vegetables, herbs, and spices, which give them their unique flavor profile. By exploring the vegetarian dishes of Vietnamese cuisine, you can experience the vibrant flavors and rich cultural heritage of this cuisine. Popular vegetarian dishes in Vietnamese cuisine. Vietnamese cuisine is known for its fresh, lively flavors and creative use of herbs and spices. While meat and fish feature prominently in many Vietnamese dishes, vegetarian cooking also plays an important role. With a combination of stir-fries, soups, salads and noodle bowls, here are some popular vegetarian dishes you'll find throughout Vietnam. Goi, vegetable salads. Vietnamese vegetable salads, or goi, are a refreshing and speedy way to enjoy fresh produce. With squidgy vegetables tossed in a tangy dressing and topped with crunchy nuts, goi satisfy both texture and flavor. Common varieties include goi cuan, made with crunchy vegetables like carrots, cucumber and daikon radish tossed in a soy sauce and fish sauce dressing with peanuts. Goi du du, green papaya and carrots tossed in a lemony lime dressing with crushed peanuts and chili. Goi guang, julienne ginger shreds tossed with minced shallots in a light dressing with lime juice and crushed peanuts. Goi zoi, green mango salad made with fresh mango, peanuts and chili in a tangy lime and fish sauce dressing. Cam, rice dishes. Steamed rice is a staple in Vietnamese cuisine, often accompanied by stir-fried or stewed vegetable dishes. Popular meat-free options include cam tam, broken rice typically served with stir-fried morning glory, pickled vegetables and crisp fried shallots. Cam shay, literally vegetarian rice, this dish features simmered tofu and vegetables over steamed jasmine rice. Cam hen, rice served with stir-fried ginger garlic mushrooms and crispy shallots. Cam hu chu, rice noodles, mushrooms and vegetables in an aromatic broth served over steamed jasmine rice. Can, clear soups. Simple yet flavor-packed Vietnamese clear soups, or can, typically feature fresh ingredients simmered in a light, nuanced broth. Try can chua, a sour soup made with tomatoes, string beans, okra and crispy tofu in a light, tart broth. Can rau cai, collard greens, cabbage and carrots simmered in a nourishing vegetarian broth flavored with garlic. Can mang, fermented bamboo shoot and mushroom soup often made with glass noodles and crispy fried shallots. Can nam, mushroom soup made with shiitake, wood ear or enoki mushrooms in a light vegetarian stock. Mie noodle bowls. Vietnamese vegetarian noodle bowls typically feature vermicelli rice noodles, soft egg noodles or pho noodles with stir-fried or braised vegetables. Popular meat-free options include mi sao shay, stir-fried noodles with cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, celery and mushrooms in a soy sauce and oyster sauce dressing. Mihoa Hong, rose flour vermicelli noodle soup with bean sprouts, tofu and various mushrooms in a light vegetable broth.